Hey guys, welcome back. It is not even mid-August and I've already received this month's BoxyCharm, which is amazing. So that is what we're going to be opening up today. And as you can see, my box is a little bit rough. I picked it up from the post office and the lady was like, "I'm so sorry." I was like, "No big deal. Sometimes there's liquids inside." So I opened it up and there was indeed a liquid inside. This is the Odessa, New York Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. And we've gotten a Odessa product before. We got a lip product from them. So here's the second thing. And it doesn't look like it's broken or anything. I think it just isn't like fully sealed. So I'm pretty sure that's what was leaking. But it seemed to have made it just fine. It says it's supposed to, what? It says it's the organic infused age-defying nail treatment essentials, which are supposed to cleanse, repair, fortify, prime, and protect your nail and cuticle. So normally I don't really like getting nail products in my boxes because, as you can see, I rarely paint my nails. But I do like getting cuticle oils because I have really bad cuticles. And I remember one FabFitFun box, I got a cuticle oil, which was kind of the first time I gave cuticle oil a chance, and I really enjoyed it. So happy to receive that one. This is about an $18 value. And yeah, I'm glad it came okay. It says it's 12 free, but I don't see what the ingredients are. It is cruelty free. They say, yeah, 12 free, but I don't know what else is in it. Oh, maybe it says on the bottle itself. Duh. Nope. So, yeah, no idea what's in this. I guess you'd have to look it up on the website if you cared. Speaking of which, this is Life at the Party is the theme of the box. And so aside from that slight mishap, you can see the rest of the items in the box seem to have made it just fine. So if I reach in here, this is from Bang Beauty, and this is the chocolate gel eyeliner from DLS Cosmetics, Bang Beauty. This guy's made in China. It's got really nice shiny packaging. It's a little sweaty, but yeah, it's just a gel eyeliner. So I'm definitely going to test this out. I don't actually have any brown eyeliners other than pencil eyeliners. So that's exciting to try. One thing I did notice though is that my bottle is a little beat up. So I guess my box had a bit of a rough journey over to my house. One thing about this packaging is like, it looks completely empty. Can you see that? Just a small little pancake of product. I think that's really pretty. Although I guess if you had a bunch of products like that in your drawer, it'd be annoying to see what color it is. But that's nice packaging. And that guy is worth $22. They say you can also use it on your brows as well. Next we have another pair of lashes, which is super exciting. These are from the House of Lashes, and these are the Temptress handmade lashes, ideal for regular or special occasions. Made from human hair. Wait, or synthetic hair. Alright. Or a mix. Anyway, it says they're ultra lightweight, easy to apply, and reusable. And they're out of California, but made in Indonesia. I've never tried anything from them. These lashes are between $9 and $12. So they're actually not too expensive. And they look really nice. They look really long and really kind of feathery. I'm actually going to save these for an actual like wear test, their own video. So check for that in the future. I'm excited to try these out. I love getting lashes in beauty boxes because you try brands you normally can't get. Maybe you get more expensive lashes than you would pay. So that's pretty cool. Okay, next, this is so exciting. I got the Smashbox Be Legendary Triple Tone Lipstick. And this is in the color Sunset Ombre. So you can kind of see the ombre on the box. How crazy is that? Orange, purple, and pink. I mean, this is not for the faint of heart. and I am not faint-hearted, so I'm excited to try this out. Should we throw it on right now, actually? Normally I would save it for the next video, but to be honest, I kind of can't wait. The tube is massive, and ooh, this is what the lip product looks like. 2 or 3 tone lipsticks used to be all the rage, like I guess last year or maybe the year before. I think they came out of like Korea with the ombre lip trend. But this is just such a crazy color. And I think I want the red on the outside, so holy crap. I don't know why I'm surprised it's working, but it's a little, well, okay, I am wearing like a nude lip gloss, so maybe it's toning it down just a little bit, but it's a little bit more subtle than I expected. So I'm gonna flip it upside down. When you smoosh it all together, it just kind of comes out pink. And I think, again, it's a little bit more nudish because of what I had on before. But, oh, that's so cool. I can't wait to play around with this more. Maybe I'll do an entire video to this guy as well, just to kind of, like, archive it. Because, personally, I would never put these 3 colors together for a lip product, but I'm not mad. And I guess you could have gotten a bunch of different Smashbox lip products. I'm really glad I didn't get like a liquid lip because I feel like I have a lot of Smashbox trial size liquid lips just from like free samples or purchases, so I'm glad I got something really different. This of course is a full size, could be between 21 and 24 US dollars. Cool, that was really exciting. Next we have some eye masks. These are Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and they're just the little dupes that go under your eyes. It says, innovative gold foil retains maximum hydration. I've tried actually a bunch of different gold under eye masks, and they're nice, they're cooling. How much are these? They're $13 for one or for 3? I don't know. $13 for one set would be super expensive. $13 for 3 would be a better deal in my opinion. It's hot here. And here's the last and maybe my most anticipated item. I don't watch Laura Lee on YouTube, but she just released a palette called Party Animal, and I think she released another one that's like neutrals as well. Oh, there's a palette in a palette in a palette in a palette. Holy crap. So yeah, these are 4 matte shades. It's like green, light blue, dark blue, orange, and then a shimmery pink and kind of a metallic purpley blue. So very excited to try these ones out. They look beautiful. The packaging is really beautiful too. Like I didn't know what to expect from the packaging, but it looks gorgeous. It feels nice and heavy. It's got a mirror in it. So yeah, stay tuned for next month's video where I give this one a full review. But at first glance, ooh, I'm pretty excited about it. Oh my god. The dark purple's more like a purpley bluey pink on a swatch. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do something fun with that. Super exciting. And that palette is $19, so that's actually really reasonably priced as well. I thought it would be more along the $30 range. So that is everything in this month's box. So we got the palette, lashes, a gel eyeliner, a lip product, and a cuticle oil. So again, another really good BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm has been such a great experience, again, compared to Luxbox, which I was previously receiving. Yeah, they just keep nailing it. So did you guys get a BoxyCharm? I think there was quite a bit of variation this month between the different boxes. So I'm really happy with what was given to me. So why don't we stop here and look back at what I received in last month's box. Oops, I forgot. We also got the eye patches. Put those over there. Alright, so here is everything from last month's box. And like I've started doing, I try to put a lot of it like on my face for this video, this like re-review section. Now that I've had a little bit of time to play around with it. Am I missing something? So the first thing last month we got was the Needles No More baggage for under eyes. I really don't actually like this. It's cool that it's got like a really orangey color to it, and it does give you a slightly cooling effect, but it feels like my under eyes are kind of like tight and stiff once it's applied. I don't like that feeling. And I feel like sometimes it almost leaves a chalky finish under my under eyes, which I never get. So this one's definitely a pass for me. I wasn't too excited about that guy. Then we got the Note blush, which I'm wearing today. Very subtle, very pretty. It shows up very nicely on the skin. Nothing bad to say about that. I like it a lot. And I do like that it's got a brush underneath it, even though I don't think I will use it. But yeah, really cute packaging. Again, great. And I never heard of Note before, but dang, I like it. The Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Again, I've got it on my eyebrows right now. It's a perfect color match for me. I'm not too sure how like sensible it is to put eyebrow products in BoxyCharms when not everybody's a brunette, but it is a nice product. It's nothing like super amazing that I can't get from anything else, and I think it's really overpriced considering, if this price is correct, it was $26 for like almost a trial size. I guess it's 1.8 grams, but yeah, I think it's a little bit overpriced. The Unlashed Mascara from Wander Beauty. It's beautiful. I'm wearing it right now on my eyes. It's dark, it's lovely, it separates, it lengthens, it adds just the right amount of volume where it still looks beautiful and nice and long. I really like it a lot. Personally, I wouldn't pay full price for it again. I think it's incredibly expensive, but I really like it. And if you want to watch my full wear test up here, it's never flaked once for me. It's a really nice mascara. I just wish it was, and I would repurchase it if it was like half the price. And finally, the Crown Pro eyeshadow palette, which I have on my eyes today. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I opened this up last month, I was a little bit underwhelmed. I thought, ugh, it's Crown. I'm biased against Crown. I don't know why. I feel like it's like Morphe, but worse. Am I the only one? I don't know. I think I'm stuck up. And it's just kind of all these brown tones. The packaging is nice, not as like deluxe as the Laura Lee palette, but really nice, and not as nice as the Alamar palette, I guess I should say as well. But the shimmer shades in here are gorgeous. So half of them are shimmer and then half of them are matte, and I feel like the matte I struggle with a little bit. They're a little chalky, they're a little stiff, and I feel like you can't really building up the depth that I was looking for, but it easily makes up for it with the beautiful shimmers. They go on like a dream. They're so soft. Just use your finger and press them on. I'm sorry I was stuck up before. I'm really glad I decided to play around with this palette. So far, BoxyCharm and eyeshadow palettes have been fabulous because we got that Alamar palette months ago. So far I've gotten like a colorful palette, a more neutral rosy toned palette, plus this Laura Lee bright palette. Like, if you're starting from nothing and you're subscribed to BoxyCharm this year, your collection is just killing it. In summary, last month's BoxyCharm was really good, just the one dud, and everything else is just gorgeous. And I'm super excited to try everything out in next month's box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks to my Patrons who help support my videos and bring this content to you guys. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know what you think about these lips. And with that, you guys, I will see you all in my next video. Happy Monday, guys. Hope you have a great week.